only been back an hour from lunch.
Yeah, I know.
5 levels of healing. Okay? 5 elements, 5 levels of healing. Healing at the earth level is healing at the soul level. Healing at the level of the soul means making a connection between the soul and the mind, you know, getting them to start to talk to one another. I was talking to someone about this over lunch. You know, sometimes there's some really stubborn illness that doesn't go away easily, yeah? And sometimes you'll find that, oh, my mum or dad have got a similar problem to this, in a similar system or a similar organ, you know? And you try all sorts of things on an energetic level to clear it. You know, you go and see your osteopath, you go and see your acupuncturist, you have herbal medicine, and it doesn't go. Yeah? And it's sort of there maybe throughout your whole life, your whole adult life. You know, it's like, it's a relatively weak system in your body, you know. It's like the heart's a weak area, or the bladder's a weak area, and it's not easily changed by energetic medicine. And that means it's often happening at the soul level. Stubborn illnesses that are in the family karma and don't shift easily. Okay? So, the second level of health, second level of healing, is healing at the is healing energetically. So, yeah, water energy, right? Energy healing. So, any way you try to change your energy, you know, acupuncture unblocks the meridians, you know, so the energy can flow more easily, bringing energy to one part and, you know, taking heat out of one area of the body, and, you know, however you work with it, right? It's all energy healing. You know, name me any way that you're working to change the energy in your body, whatever name you give it. Osteopathy, acupuncture, Feldenkrais technique, yoga to an extent, you know, moving the energy around. Reiki. Yeah. Any of these things are ways to manipulate and change the energy. And so it won't necessarily impact on the soul level when you do that, when you go to see your chiropractor or you go to make those energetic changes. But it might do. If it's a deep healing, it might help on the soul level. So they're not exclusive levels. It's like, oh, they can't affect one another. Of course they will affect one another. The third, so this is water. The fire level is the
sorry, what did you say was water?
Energy healing. It's like water. Too much water, too little water. You know, there's water building up behind a dam, and it's like it's going to burst. Maybe that's a metaphor for your libido, right? I need to be with someone right now. Or and hopefully it's your partner rather than someone else. Or, you know, water is stagnant, like the lymphatic system. You know, things have gone stagnant, and it's easier in the stagnant pool for bacteria and viruses to germinate than it is in a free-flowing ocean. You know, water is, you know, there's lots of passion. So it's all water terminology.
So are you giving an element to each of these levels of healing?
Yes.
So what was soul, sorry then? What
Earth.
was earth?
Healing the mind. Healing the mind by, so this is fire, okay? Fire element. Healing the mind by having a dharma, having ritual, having a sort of order, having order in your life, having good habits. Yogi Bhajan talks about promoting habits or demoting habits. Habits that serve you or habits that work against you.
So like sadhana.
Is a great promoting habit. Train the mind. It's about training the mind. That's the level of healing we're talking about. Train the mind, focus the mind. You know, Yogi Bhajan talks about the mind as like it's a dog. Now, mind, you're going to do this. Come, sit down. We're going to be here for half an hour. Focus at the tip of your nose. Use this mantra. Okay, mind, now we've done half an hour. Now you can go and have your half a slice of pizza. Eat it slowly. Now we're going to, come, sit, behave. You train the mind. The mind is for training so that it will serve your destiny, so it will serve your spirit, so your soul and your mind can start talking to one another. It's kind of like that, right? You know? It's a tool, so train it. So that's healing at that level. The fourth level of healing is the air element, and it's healing. What healing is missing here? What other level of healing? Well, this is body healing really, and energy healing, healing the body.
It's not spirit, is it? We've not got there yet.
Spirit, spirit we can say soul, spirit, healing.
Is it aura?
No, aura would be contained within the mind. Let go of your guilt, shame, attachments, clear the aura. Training for the mind.
Not emotional? Psychological?
Emotional and
Is that mind?
Emotional, yes. Psychological is more the mind, and obviously mind, the emotion kind of covers mind and also this next level of healing I'm asking for. How else do you heal yourself?